In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with anything. Integrating ClickUp with various tools and platforms can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Whether you're aiming to sync calendars, automate tasks, or connect with other productivity applications, ClickUp makes it relatively simple. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with these integrations. Begin by navigating to ClickUp. If you don't already have the ClickUp app open, go ahead and open it now. If you're new to ClickUp, you can easily access it through your preferred web browser by typing in the ClickUp website's URL or opening the ClickUp desktop application. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the ClickUp dashboard, which is the central hub for all your tasks and projects. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your workspace profile icon. Click on that to proceed. This takes you to a drop-down menu where various options related to your account are displayed. You'll often find valuable settings and configurations related to the workspace here. From this drop-down, select the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will direct you to a screen packed with various options for customizing your ClickUp experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings if it's your first time here, as they house many of the controls you'll find essential for managing your account and projects. After you enter the settings page, the next step is to locate and click on App Center. The App Center is essentially the gateway to all possible integrations available within ClickUp. This is the area where you can explore and set up integrations with numerous third-party apps and services. Clicking on the App Center will display a plethora of options. It's a treasure trove for maximizing the tools at your disposal. If you're specifically looking to integrate with a calendar, just click on Calendars in the App Center. Calendar integration is a popular choice among ClickUp users, as it allows you to sync your schedules and deadlines seamlessly with your preferred calendar tool, making it easier to manage your time efficiently. Now, once you find your desired integration or application within the App Center, you'll either see an option labeled Connect or Configure, depending on the app's current configuration status. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Follow any on-screen instructions to authorize the integration, such as signing into your external account or permitting ClickUp to access the necessary resources. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the integration of ClickUp with the tool or platform of your choice. By following these steps, you're paving the way for a more connected and cohesive workflow, ensuring that all your tools work harmoniously together. Remember, integrating ClickUp with other applications doesn't just save time, it enhances your control over project management and enriches your overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.